Hello everybody, and welcome back to another hotel room tour from your favorite traveling channel. I am here in Minneapolis, well specifically St. Paul, at Motel 6. So I'll show you what it's like. So, you walk in the door right here. Immediately to your right is the Vanity. With soap and towels, ice bucket and cups, a mirror with your favorite your favorite travel content creator. To the right of that is the bathroom. There's a toilet. There's the towels. Now, usually I see this outside of the bathroom, but on this one, it's inside, which isn't really better or worse, just different. There's the shower, or there's a bathtub rather. The shower knob and the shower head. On to the main part. Oh no, first and foremost, they give you a microwave, so that's a nice addition. I appreciate that. Trash can. A desk with all the standard things. There's my backpack, a landline. Cable management could be a little bit better, but nothing deal breaking. TV up there, which once again the cable management could be a little bit better. Like, you can hang stuff on the wall for that. Like I said, nothing that takes away from the stage. Just like, really? Oh. A lamp, or not a lamp, a light. Well, I guess it could be a lamp. Closet area for hanging your stuff, storing stuff, setting stuff down there. The window. See what kind of view there is. Got a nice view of whatever's across the street. I think it's a gas station over there. So yeah, nothing too exciting. And the windows could be cleaned a little better. However, if there's one part of a hotel that didn't get attention cleaning, at least it's not part you're gonna touch that often. Everything else is fine. To the right of the bed is a little stand, another light. On the other side is the same thing. No light there. Didn't show the air conditioner / heater, which is old but seems to work fine. And last but not least, the bed. Let's test it out. Yeah, seems comfortable enough. Pillows seem fine too. And what the heck is that? I didn't even notice that. I think it's like a floor heater that they took out. But then, why is it still plugged? Yeah, they should cover that. That does not look attractive. And yeah, that's basically it of this Motel 6 tour. So my final thoughts on it. Even though some parts of it could look a little better, there's nothing that really takes away from the stay. So, would I recommend it? If you're on a budget, then yeah. If you're on a budget, then at the end of the day, staying here would be just fine as opposed to anywhere else. But yeah, they could make some cosmetic improvements. However, definitely not the worst place I ever stayed at. So yeah, that's the Motel 6 in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like Motel 6 and leave the like on for me. Oh, and stay tuned for videos of My Chemical Romance, because that's what I'm here for. And yeah, that's it. Rock on.